Paula, do you mind if we ask you a couple questions about Wheelock Dining Hall?
Yeah, of course.
Can you please tell us who you are?
I'm Paula Farrell. I'm the registered dietitian working here at Wheelock Dining Hall. I'm originally from Labrador, but I'm an Acadia alumni from the graduating class of 2020. I graduated from the Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics program. Acadia has always felt like a second home to me.
I love that. So, what is the new Allergen Station in Wheelock Dining Hall?
Our new Allergen Station. Let's head on over. So our new Allergen Aware Station is a place where students are able to customize and have way more access to variety. This station is one of its kind.
That's so cool. What makes the Allergen Aware Station unique?
The main thing that makes this station so unique is that it removes the barrier between the student and the chef. It's the student directly communicating with the chef what they need. The other thing that makes this station unique is that one of the only sites in Atlantic Canada that have a dietitian working on staff. So I'm here to help any students who have sensitivities or intolerances navigate their nutritional needs.
So how does the Allergen Aware Station help those with food allergies or intolerances?
Any students who have allergies or intolerances can come to this station, fill out our form, and have their nutritional needs met by our highly trained staff.
So if somebody had celiac disease, how can they be sure that there will be food for them to eat?
For celiac disease, we actually do have this little gluten-sensitive area. For this toaster, it's reserved for gluten-free products. There's cereals and things here that the students can grab. There's bagels and bread stored down here. So if you're celiac, there's lots of options for breakfast. And when it's time for lunch or dinner, you can come on over and chat with our chef, and he will prepare a gluten-free meal for you. Everything that enters this station is made without the top 11 allergens, and we've included gluten in that as well. So you can be guaranteed that anything that you receive from the station will be made without gluten if you're celiac.
So if somebody doesn't want to eat any of the prepared meal options, what are their other options here?
They can come on over to the MyPantry station where they have the ability to customize their own meal fully.
That sounds cool. Paula, what's the MyPantry station?
The MyPantry station is just what it sounds. It's a pantry designed for students, by students. We carry tons of fresh ingredients here. In our fridge, we are fully stocked with fresh vegetables, lots of different meats. There's pasta, there's rice, anything you could want and need to create your own meal.
What changes have been made to the station recently?
This station undergone major renovations from the past year. The major change was that we made it wheelchair accessible. It's nice and wide now, lots of space to move around. We also made sure that the counters were lowered so that students in wheelchairs have the ability to use the cooktops. We've got these pull-out fridge so that students who are in wheelchairs can access the same ingredients that are in our stand-up fridge. We've also added a popcorn machine, a pancake machine, a waffle machine. There's tons of equipment here now for students to have the support that they need to make their own meals. And my favorite feature is that these cupboards, which were purely for aesthetic purposes before, are now fully stocked with products so that the staff can stay here on the floor to assist the students instead of constantly running around to keep things stocked in the station.
So anyone can make their own food here?
Yeah, that's right. Anyone who pays to eat here at Wheelock Dining Hall is welcome to use the MyPantry station, either to make their own meals from scratch or to customize something that they've already picked up around the dining hall.
So who can I reach out to if I have any questions about the new Allergen Aware Station or the MyPantry station?
If anyone has any questions about any of the stations, I'm the main person to reach out to. You can contact me by email, phone number, or by stopping by the dining hall.
Now, my last question for you is there anything else that you wish our students or employees knew?
The last thing I want to leave you guys with is that there is a dietitian working here at Wheelock Dining Hall Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. So it's one of the only opportunities in your life that you'll get to have that kind of access to a dietitian, and I highly recommend you take advantage. The kind of things that I have to offer, the nutrition information that I'm looking to pass along, it's information that can stay with you for a lifetime. You don't have to be sick or in need to benefit from seeing a dietitian. I want to support you in your wellness journey with information that you can take with you even beyond Acadia. Well, if you guys are done here, I think I'm going to go eat my lunch.